Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting episode where we delve into the wonderful world of English vocabulary. Today, our word of the day is discount. So, what exactly does discount mean? Well, a discount is a reduction in the usual price of something. It's when you pay less than you normally would. Think of it as a little reward for being a savvy shopper. You often see discounts offered in stores, online, or even for services. Now, let's explore how we use the word discount in everyday language. Imagine you're buying a new shirt. You might ask, is there a discount on the shirt? Or does this store offer student discounts? You could also say, I got a discount because I'm a loyalty member. It's a very common and useful word when talking about shopping and saving money. Now, let's look at some synonyms for discount. A synonym is a word with a similar meaning. Some words you can use instead of discount are reduction, sale, bargain, allowance, and rebate. Let's see these synonyms in action. Instead of saying I got a discount on my new laptop, you could say I got a reduction on my new laptop. Or, there's a big sale at the department store this weekend. Another example is, this car is a real bargain at that price. You could also say, the insurance company gave me an allowance on my premium because I have a safe driving record. And lastly, I received a rebate after purchasing the energy-efficient appliance. So, you see, there are many ways to express the idea of a price reduction. Now, let's talk about antonyms. An antonym is a word with the opposite meaning. Some antonyms for discount include increase, markup, premium, charge, and surcharge. Here's how we can use these antonyms in sentences. Instead of getting a discount, the price might increase. Due to high demand, the price of the concert tickets will increase. Or, the store might add a markup. The store applied a significant markup to the designer handbag. Another example could be, you have to pay a premium for faster shipping. Or simply, they will charge you extra for the service. And lastly, there's a surcharge for using your credit card. These words describe situations where the price goes up, not down. Now, let's explore how the word discount is used in everyday life. You might see signs in stores that say 20% discount or student discount available. You might hear people say, I'm looking for a discount code online. Or I always check for discounts before I buy anything. Businesses often use discounts to attract customers, especially during holidays or special events. You could also use discount in conversation like this. Did you get a discount on your gym membership? Or, I'm going to wait until there's a discount before buying that new game. Now, let's look at some more examples of discount in sentences and phrases. The early bird gets a discount. Senior citizens are eligible for a discount. I have a discount coupon for that restaurant. They are offering a 10% discount on all electronics. We can discount the price if you buy in bulk. The airline offered a discount due to the flight delay. Is there a discount for cash payments? The discount only applies to certain items. We should discount their opinions because they are not experts on the matter. Note this last example is used in a more figurative sense, meaning to disregard or not give importance to. And finally, I'm always on the lookout for a good discount. So, to recap, discount means a reduction in price. We learned some synonyms like reduction, sale, bargain, allowance, and rebate. We also learned some antonyms like increase, markup, premium, charge, and surcharge. We explored how discount is used in everyday conversations and saw many examples of it in sentences and phrases. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. Remember, learning new words is a journey, and every word you learn brings you one step closer to fluency. Before we go, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, and it really motivates me to keep creating new content for you. Also, I'd love to see you using the word discount. Why not create your own sentence using the word discount and share it as a comment under this video? I'm excited to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.
Goodbye.